Good morning. It's Bella. She's my vegan dog. As you can see, she's a completely normal dog. She absolutely loves to just chill out on the grass. It's absolutely beautiful here today. A lot of people are complaining that they say it's too humid or too hot, and I'm just in paradise. It's Montreal and I feel like I'm in the tropics. It's just fantastic. And Bella just loves to plunk herself down on our walks and just enjoy the grass. And when I'm not in a hurry, that's totally fine with me. I mean, we might look a bit silly just sitting on people's grass randomly in the neighborhood, but that doesn't matter. Hey Bella, look how cute she is. Bella doesn't actually like to be on camera very much. I noticed that when I put the camera in her face, she's like, what are you doing? Like, who are you talking to? So what do I want to talk to you about today? I don't really know. What do you want to know? You know how to become vegan. I've told you many times. Go to howdoigovegan.com. Go to What Broke Vegans Eat for amazing recipes on Facebook and to make connections with people there. Become an animal rights activist. Become an animal defender because the animals need you. It's not an option. It's a moral baseline. You know, in the same way that if you were a victim, you'd want somebody to defend you. It's just that simple. I've taught you about dystopia, the anguish of being vegan in a non-vegan world. I've taught you about veganphobia, which is people who are unkind to animal rights activists for no reason. We've talked about vegan dogs and how it's totally possible for them to be vegan. There's no need to hurt them if we don't have to, any animals. So if we can feed our dogs vegan food, why wouldn't we do it? Why pay for murder if we don't have to? If you're being attacked by a bug, it's okay to swat the bug, by the way. People have said that to me, like, what about mosquitoes? Well, it's just like if a person was trying to attack you, you'd be allowed to push them away and say, hey, get out of my space, please, right? And if a mosquito's coming at you to try to get your blood, well, it's the same if a human was trying to come after you and get your blood. Like, you could defend yourself. It's fine. Being vegan is about doing the least harm, that's all. It's really that simple. When you're going shopping, just don't buy anything that's died. Don't pay somebody to murder for you. It's that easy. Just put veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart, because peace begins on your plate. So open up your heart. If you wouldn't be able to kill a dog or a cat, then don't pay anybody to kill other animals. If you wouldn't be able to kill any other animal by yourself, pig, chicken, cow, turkey, lamb, whatever it is, then don't pay somebody else to do it for you. Being vegan means just being the best that you can every day, every choice you have. If you're buying some clothing, well, don't buy anything that contains fur or leather or feathers or silk or wool. See if Bella's ready to walk yet. What do you guys think? Ready to go, Bella? Come on. 1, 2, 3, up. To everybody who is having their vegan declaration day, congratulations to you. If you've been watching this channel long enough, you know that Happy Vegan Declaration Day is the day that you declare that you are going to be vegan. You decide that this is the day you're going to stop contributing to the suffering, to the animal holocaust. This is the day that you are no longer going to pay for it. It's as simple as that. You're not going to be eating animals anymore, and you can totally do this. You know, think about the victims. Put yourself in their position. How would you feel? We ask people to do that all the time for humans. We say, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. So if you wouldn't want anybody to hurt you, to put you in a gas chamber, to hold you upside down and slit your throat, and don't do it to somebody else. Don't pay somebody to do that. You don't need eggs. Eggs come from a cycle of violence where they take the baby boy chicks and they murder them. They blend them. They blend them to death. They put them in a giant blender. It is horrific, but it's true. So don't eat eggs anymore. Now, yesterday I met somebody who I hadn't seen in a long time, and she said, I'm Italian, it's too hard for me to be vegan. And I said, that's just not true. That's a lie you tell yourself. You absolutely can stop being a thief. Being vegan just means that you're stopping the stealing. You're deciding that you are no longer going to pay for somebody to steal body parts for you, or milk. You're no longer going to pay somebody to steal honey from the bees. This is going to be a walking disaster. You're not going to be hearing me because this truck is beside me this whole way. Hey, Bella. Did you guys know that if a dog yawns, it doesn't mean that they're tired necessarily? It means that they're stressed a little bit. Like they're hearing a sound that they don't like. Or they're feeling like they want to walk and they're not, or they want food, something like that. If you see a dog yawn, it can mean that they're a little bit stressed. I found that really interesting when I found that out. I didn't know that before. Thank you everybody who is becoming vegan. Do your best. It's all we ask every single day. Contribute in every way that you can. You're gonna see some videos up on the screen. If you haven't seen them yet, have a look. They're a lot more interesting than this one. This truck is just following me around. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. You can hang out here with me. I'd love to get to know you guys too. Feel free to write about your life a bit in the comment section, where you live, what you're learning, what you're doing. You know, what kind of a job do you have, or are you a student? Tell me if you're suffering from dystopia, the anguish of being vegan in a non-vegan world. If you're vegan-phobic, if you're unkind, try to figure out why it is that you're cruel to animal rights activists. Like, really dig a little deeper and find out what is it that makes you want to be mean. Because vegan-phobia, like racism and like homophobia, it's just wrong. You're just being mean to somebody who's just trying to be kind to the most innocent on the planet, the most vulnerable, the animals. I know many of you are thinking that you are wondering, what about the lions? You say to me, what about the lions? They kill other animals. Yeah, but you're not a lion. We're not talking about the lions right now. We're talking about you. It's like saying, well, somebody else kills somebody, so why can't I kill somebody? Just replace the human with the animal and you'll know the answer. If you want to know if something is humane, ask yourself if you would want it done to you. If you wouldn't want somebody to do it to you, then don't do it to someone else. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.